All doctors to ER.
We know the future of health and medicine is preventative and personalized, but also it must be open.
Hi, I'm Eugene and I want to share a bit of my personal history with you. When I was just a teenager, I lost my father. He suffered a sudden and fatal heart attack. Since then, I've been looking for ways to use technology to improve health. Over the last 2 years, I've been leading a team of engineers, and together we created Angel, an open sensor for personal health.
At any given moment, our body transmits vital bits of information about our health. Angel understands these signals: pulse, temperature, blood oxygen, and more. This complex and powerful language is the key to a healthy lifestyle, around the clock. Angel keeps vigil 24/7. It is there to watch over your health, so you don't have to, when you work, train, and even when you sleep. Angel was designed to be the most advanced wearable health sensor possible. But no one would buy a PC with just one app, right? No single application out there can cope with all the different aspects of health. That's why Angel is completely open, so you can use it with as many apps as you wish.
Developers, we invite you to dream with us. You can be the first one to create an app that can detect irregular heart rate, save a marathon runner from a fatal heat stroke, send parents a message when their child runs a fever, or build a virtual tennis instructor. Find new ways to use the metrics Angel collects and help us change the future of health.